do everything around here.
Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. What can I find for a friend? Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You worry too much, I will never say that it is dangerous like that. And a few returning for another mission. Excellent! You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. Well, be in the cockpit, of course. It's thinking of... You're still here. Go. Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Well, let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Punch it! There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've not got to us. Take evasive action.
I go left and right.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Fire engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
You're not supposed to fly into the ship.
Well, my friends, that could have been
I
much. It's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good. job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to that train. Punch! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of there.
What are you doing?
At this track,
You're dying!
fire the missiles at the gate.
It won't go up.
The Star Destroyer is collapsing.
Oh, get off the ground!
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost! Look, we're dying. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
We got 2.
You have heard the first order and made Chewie go. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
13%.
Yes. Lit.
Winning.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms.
Didn't happen last time.
You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not time for you to go, and don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Here, turn. Let's take a picture
Yeah.
real quick.
You found the board. I did. There's a lot of them in here, just so you know.
This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.